Good day. I am Prencelly, a grade 12 TVL Computer System Servicing student of Alaminos City National High School. This video is all about creating an Ethernet cable. I am going to show and demonstrate the steps and procedures on how to create an Ethernet cable. But first, what is an Ethernet cable? An Ethernet cable, LAN cable, or networking cable is the common cable that's used in computer networking. It serves as a node or pathway between computers or other networking devices that transmit signals. There are two types of patch. The first type is the T5688, which has the color coding white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. The second type is the T568B, which has the color coding of white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. The 8 pins have a corresponding signal value from pin number 1 to pin number 8, which are positive transmit, negative transmit, positive receive, none, none, negative receive, none, and none.
There are two types of network cabling, the straight-through network cabling and the crossover network cabling.
The things that we need to prepare are UTP cable, RJ45, wire stripper, crimping tool, and LAN tester. So the first step is to cut and remove the insulator of the UTP cable using the wire stripper. And then, after removing the insulator, is to untwist and separate the copper wires. So the next step after untwisting and separating the copper wires is to arrange the colors according to the color coding of the patch that you're going to create. So now I am going to create a T568H. So the color coding is white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. Then check if you have arranged it correctly. So after that is to cut the copper wires. The next step is to insert it to the RJ45. Make sure to insert the copper wires into the RJ45 in the correct position. So the 8 pin should be on top and the clip is on the bottom. After that, you can now crimp and make sure that the insulator is locked together with the copper wires. After this one is the second end, so just repeat the steps. And the last step is to test the Ethernet cable using the LAN tester. By the way, this is a straight-through network cabling which has a patch A on both ends.
And that's all the steps on how to create an Ethernet cable.